Do you know there's a secret ingredient you need to add to your pancake in order for you to have the perfect and fluffy pancakes? Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your fluffy pancakes. These are the ingredients you need. That's your egg. I'm using 4 eggs. That's milk, flour, sugar, flavor, melted butter, baking powder, and our wicks. And these are all the ingredients you need. Bring out your bowl. Let's get started. In the bowl we're just going to add 2 cups of flour, then half cup of sugar because I don't want this sugary. Then we're just going to add our eggs, our baking powder, our flavor, melted butter, and cup of milk. This is one of the most important secret ingredients you need to know, milk. And as you can see, I did not add any extra water to it. And I also suggest that whenever you're making your pancake, make sure you use a full cream milk. Not all the milk you see out there are milk. Some are creamers, not milk, but for this I use 100% milk. So bring out your pan and grease it with butter. Then we're just going to scoop a little bit of our pancake to it, and we're just going to leave this on a low heat for 15 seconds until it starts to bring bubbles. And by the way, this video is not an edited video. We're just going to make this together for you to see. So we're just going to wait for 15 seconds until it starts to bubble round the edges like that. As you can see, the bubbles is already coming up, so time for us to flip. So gently lift the edges. Make sure you lift the edges first before you try to flip, or else you're just going to mess this up. So we're just going to turn and try and make sure the edges are ready to be lifted. So we're just going to flip. So easy, right? So after this, we're just going to make another one for you to see so you can get it right at your first time. So we're just going to flip and then count for just 8 seconds. So we're just going to flip again. So this is how it looks like. You know your pancake is ready to be served. So we're just going to set this aside. Let's try this one more time again. So we're just going to add a little bit of the base to it, and then we're just going to leave this for 15 seconds on a low heat until the bubble starts to form round the edges like this. 15 seconds. The moment the bubble starts to form round the edges, just know that part is ready and it's ready for us to flip it. So we're just going to lift the edges first. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to try and make sure all the edges are ready to be lifted. So just round it. So we're just going to flip this, and for the other side we're just going to leave it for just 8 seconds only. After 8 seconds it is ready, so we're just going to lift it and then place it. we're just going to repeat the same thing all over again until you get to the quantity you want. And then I serve this with my sliced banana and scrambled egg. If you want to know how I made my scrambled egg, the video is up on my YouTube channel. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos for you to learn how to make easy and affordable recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share for everyone, especially your friends, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.